Hey guys, as promised, I'm going to show you how to make pre-workout / energy gummies. Today I'm going to do some MTNOPS Yeti. It's their pre-workout and it's peach flavor is the one I'm going to go with today. The one I posted on Instagram was actually Ignite, and it was Tiger's Blood Ignite, and it was delicious. So I'll show you guys how to do this. You guys need unflavored gelatin. You need your MTNOPS Yeti or Ignite, and then you need water, and that's literally it. It's super simple. So right now I have 2.5 cups of water in the pot, and then I have 1/2 cup of cold water in this bowl. So while I bring this up to a boil, I'm going to dump the gelatin over the cold water. And that sits and it actually gels up a little bit. So you just let it sit there and it'll start to bubble. You kind of see it actually starting to bubble a little bit right there and around there. So you let that sit for about 5 minutes or until this water starts to boil. Then when that water starts to boil, you add it into the mixture, and then you add the Yeti and you whisk it up with a metal whisk. And then I'll show you once we get to the water boiling, I'll show you the next step. Boiling, this has been sitting. Shut this down. Your next step is you'll add the boiling water in to the cold water and the gelatin. I should have used a bigger bowl. And then you'll whisk it up. And you'll essentially just do this until it's all, you'll have little chunky pieces I've noticed. Okay, that's good. So it's all whisked up. Now it's time to add the Yeti. Do 1, 2, 3, 4. I was going to do 3, but against my better judgment, I'm going to do 4. So that way, less gummies and more pre-workout. Boom. So you whisk this up until it's all dissolved. Okay. Now, you pour them into, I don't have any cool gummy bear trays. All I have is these. Unfortunately, they self-level because I'm a terrible pourer. All right. So, even those out. Got them all poured in there. Now you just stick them in the fridge until they cool off and get cold. It seemed like it only took a few hours last time I did it, so just kind of gauge your time on when those cool down. We'll pull them out and try them out. Alright, so it's been about an hour, and voila. Let's see how they taste. Oh, those are good. Those are way good. Try them out. Hope you like them. Subscribe. Like this video. Comment your thoughts. And let me know. Thanks for watching.